Hello guys, it's Paulina, and today we are about to explore an amazing beach that's called Farsha Beach. So welcome in Sharm El Sheikh, and Sharm El Sheikh is famous for being tropical paradise on the Red Sea. And today we're heading to one of the most unique and peaceful spots in the city, Farsha Beach and also Farsha Cafe. So here, as you can see at the entrance, and you can see the word Farsha. So this is the entrance to the cafe. So we're going to look at the cafe, and after that we're going to head to the beach. So I'm going to show you the beach. So some information about Farsha Beach. It is located near Hadaba, right next to the Alfanar Lighthouse. And it's not a typical beach. Well, for sure, you're going to see the sea, sand, but it's not just the beach, it's also a cafe, chill zone, and scenic viewpoint all in one. As you can see, this place is amazing because you could see, I would say, every item, every detail of the cafe and the sea for sure. Also next to the cafe there is a hotel, Farana, that's called Farana. And also on the right there are also two beaches and two cafes. So what makes Farsha Beach so special is the atmosphere. The whole place is decorated with colorful cushions, antique lamps, tribal rocks, and wooden furniture. As you can see, decorations are so different and so interesting. I would say sometimes even unusual. Also, you will find swings, bats, and cozy spots to relax everywhere. It feels like a movie set. And as we noticed before, from the top terrace, you could see amazing view of the Red Sea. You can also go down and sit right by the water. It's a perfect spot to relax, read a book, also smoke shisha, or simply just enjoy the breeze. As you can see, there are a lot of stairs, and sometimes it could be quite difficult to go up or down because sometimes there can be queues. So if you want the full magic of Farsha Beach, come around sunset. The golden light, chill music, and soft wind make it a moment to remember. It's also a great place to meet travelers from around the world. This place is amazing. As you can see, there are a lot of hidden places where you can just enjoy the view, to drink something or to eat. At night, Farsha turns into a magical spot lit by candles and lanterns. There is always soft music playing, sometimes chill out, sometimes Arabic beats. You can stay here for hours just enjoying the ambience. Well, I guess we can talk now about Farsha Beach because we are about to enter this place. So Farsha Beach isn't just a place, it's a feeling. Whether you are a solo traveler or here with friends, it's a must visit in Sharm El Sheikh. So don't forget to order something. It could be fresh juice, pizza, or some snacks. So there are boys who work at the beach, and they will come, they will serve you, and they will bring everything that you like. So what about the prices? The entrance fee to the beach is about $4. If you want to order a drink, so it will be about from $1 to maybe $4. So as for pizza, I guess this will be about maybe $6. And as you can see now in the morning, there are no one because Farsha Cafe works only after the sunset. So it opens at about 5 or 6 o'clock. You should fill the registration form, and after that you will be able to visit this place. So as you can see now we're going down to Farsha Beach. Also a lot of interesting decorations, lanterns, flowers, beds, armchairs and sofas. The sand for sure. So we go down. Amazing view. Also, you can see a boy. So this boy, they usually work here at Farsha Cafe. They're wearing like a yellow or red t-shirts, so it will be quite recognizable for you. Also, the sea, and you can see these mattresses, like a sheep. So you can just go to swim. You can climb the sheep, or you can just lie on the mattress and enjoy the sea. Speaking of the water itself, it's quite comfortable now to swim. There are no waves, chilling, relaxing, and it's quite affordable with kids because the bottom is a mixture of sand and some maybe broken shells. So yeah, quite good. Also, you can see the chairs. So if you want to sunbathe, you can put a chair. Half of your body will be in the sea and half of your body will be on the sun, so quite comfortable. Yeah, look at the beach. A lot of people, interesting beds, mattresses, chairs, armchairs where you can relax, the sand. If you want to buy anything, you can see like a small shop. Well, also a boy that serves. And an interesting fact, see these, I don't know how to say that, but it's like some things that spraying the water just to feel the breeze, just to feel comfortable and relaxed, not to feel too hot, because nowadays it's quite sweltering, super hot. So just to refresh everything, they use these sprays. Quite interesting and good, especially if you're sunbathing. You feel extremely hot and then suddenly it sprays. You know, it's like a relieving feeling that you have. Also, it's possible for you to swim, see the reef, the cliff. You can go snorkeling, diving, and just explore the Red Sea. You can spot different fishes, rocks, cliffs, reefs, and so on. So come to Egypt, come to Sharm El Sheikh, visit Farsha Beach, visit Farsha Cafe, enjoy snorkeling, enjoy diving and swimming in the Red Sea, explore the world. If you have any questions about Farsha Cafe, or if you have any questions about Farsha Beach, or any other questions about Egypt or about staying in Egypt, you can write comments